When you see a high-end humanoid robot step into the light, your brain immediately assigns it a job. You expect it to fold the laundry, assemble a car, or carry heavy boxes. But UBTECH's new U1 series expressly rejects that premise. These machines are not built for physical utility. They won't lift a single box or sweep your floors. Instead, the entire U1 line is engineered exclusively for conversation, empathy, and providing a responsive emotional connection. Look at this graphic. The traditional physical tasks on the left are entirely crossed out. The engineering focus here is strictly on what's happening on the right: reading your mood, maintaining eye contact, and sustaining real-time emotional support. To accurately evaluate the U1 series, you have to stop looking for mechanical strength. The real metric is how quickly the AI processes an emotion and how naturally it responds. The most crucial detail to understand about the three very different robots in this lineup is that they all share the exact same software brain. It's called the U-World platform. This software platform drives their emotional AI. It allows every model to recognize more than 20 distinct emotional states with 90. Since the intelligence is identical across all models, you have to decide exactly how much cash you are willing to trade strictly for the aesthetic of physical presence and mobility. Let's start at the base level. The U1 Lite is a 14-kilogram torso-only variant. It has a head, neck, torso, and arms, but no legs, making it perfectly sized for stationary placement on a desk. As this matrix shows, the entry price is roughly 119,800 yuan. You're buying a stationary presence. All 19 mechanical degrees of freedom are dedicated entirely to the face, reproducing over 30 distinct micro-expressions underneath a realistic silicone skin. The conversational response times are tight. It holds a dialogue with just a 500 millisecond delay and synchronizes its lip movements to its speech within 20 milliseconds. These specs position the Lite clearly as a stationary home companion, a reception assistant, or a dedicated emotional support device. You sacrifice a full-body presence, but in return, you secure high-fidelity emotional intelligence in a highly accessible format. Moving up a tier brings us to the U1 Pro, where the evaluation shifts to a life-size, full-body humanoid structure. Looking back at the matrix, the price steps up to roughly 169,800 yuan for a full frame. Hardware complexity jumps to match. The Pro features 88 degrees of freedom, allowing it to execute natural gestures, sit down, and stand back up. There is a firm constraint, however. The U1 Pro does not walk autonomously. During presentations and interactions, it stays planted in one spot. To compensate for a static footprint, it relies on a two-axis biomimetic neck mechanism. This effectively mimics a human spine, ensuring its head tracking is remarkably smooth as you move around the room. The Pro model gives you compelling, life-sized presence. You trade away autonomous mobility to secure a substantial, anchored physical interaction space. Then there is the U1 Ultra. This model represents the peak of UBTECH's dynamic engineering. The completed matrix illustrates the severe financial leap. The male version reaches 990,000 yuan. You are paying nearly 5 times the cost to unlock one major feature: autonomous walking. At this tier, 88 degrees of freedom are fully activated. The platform perfectly replicates the human gait, walking freely through an environment and even dancing. Managing real-time balance and dynamic movement requires a significant boost in onboard computing power to process complex physics scenarios on the fly. Yet the core trade-off remains. This extraordinary mobility still does not translate to carrying heavy objects or cleaning floors. The Ultra exists as a peak engineering demonstration. At this price point, you are paying for the specific illusion of a living, walking entity in your home, rather than any tangible increase in physical work. Making the right purchase means taking a hard look at your actual deployment environment and respecting the robot's physical constraints. Mapped on the decision tree, outfitting a reception desk, your path points directly to the U1 Lite, giving you high emotion tracking accuracy without wasting budget on unused leg motors. But if your scenario requires true physical interaction, the tree pushes you toward the U1 Pro. For the vast majority of commercial buyers, this is the optimal choice. It provides human scale and expressive gesturing while safely avoiding the massive costs and potential liabilities of an autonomously wandering robot. Clearly identifying the scale of human interaction you actually need prevents organizations from overspending on robotics they can't effectively deploy. Finally, there is the high net worth early adopter evaluating the U1 Ultra. This model operates strictly as a high-end technological showcase. Its cost is justified by the novelty of the engineering rather than daily practicality. Across this entire lineup, UBTECH is making a very specific bet. They are wagering that long-term, localized emotional memory, a system that actually understands your mood, is ultimately more valuable to a human than automated physical chores. UBTECH is betting that as AI integration deepens, the value of a machine that masters human presence will eventually outweigh the value of one that simply cleans a room.